Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Motorola Moto ThinkPhone. And to do this you will need to open the Google Play Store. Inside try to find the Firefox. Select this browser from the list and tap on the install. When it's ready, you should be able to launch it, then allow access to any of the options. Then we can customize the browser by choosing different theme, picking your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, and switch privacy settings. Here you can read privacy notice, and finally, let's start browsing. Open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.